Ross? Exactly. Is it supposed to be like liquidy? You really have to just get into it, yo. I know, you're gonna be like, Jellybean, where'd you learn to paint like that? Self-taught. So this is like his house. Okay, nobody will notice it's a little bit lighter than the rest. Nobody's gonna notice. Can really use a wish right now. Wish right now.
Yes, sir.
Oh, chat, that's pretty good. I want to give him like a kiss. What should we add? Don't say boobs. Who agrees with me that Rambo could never? I want to add something down here, but I don't know what to add. Merch? Add a little bit of spice. Shrek is a trooper. Take off the wig. Ready? See, I told you I'm not bald. I got you, Chuck.